Today I'm working on a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. And what I'm going to be doing today, I am going to be replacing the headlight bulb. And it's this one right here. In case you want to know what I'm using an H7. So let's replace this light bulb. So we have a cover here that we must remove. And all we have to do is rotate it down. And once you rotate it down, you can pull it out. Now, right inside, this black knob that's there. So I don't know if you can see it, this one right here. And all you have to do is turn it and turn it down. Once you turn it down, you are exposed to the light bulb. Now that we remove the light bulb out of the socket, we're going to remove the light bulb itself. And right in the light bulb right here, this metal piece that's connected to the plastic, and you need a flathead screwdriver. And all you do is pry it here easily. You bring it up. Then you take this one also and you go up. Sometimes when you push this one up, the other one goes in. But let's see. And once you do that, you take your light bulb. Just remember how the orientation of the light bulb goes. I always tell people take a picture of it, of how it goes, and all you do is just pull the light bulb. Once you pull the light bulb, you take your new one. Like I said, just remember how it goes. And the pointy thing right here goes right here where this little clip is at. And all you do is push it down. And it clicks right in. So now what we're going to do is, the same way we check it out, we're going to find the hole that's inside. Once you find the hole, remember we went that way to open it. So that means we got to go this way to lock it. And there it goes. It's locked in. Then we take the cover. We take the cover. We push it in. Remember, that way we loosen it. This way we lock it. And that's it. It's locked. Now let's see if this light bulb is working. All right, the moment of truth. So there you go. You have replaced your light on your 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.